Yeah, so friends of mine are looking to buy an apartment, and getting this right is of course critical because it's such an important and expensive decision. They found one with a garden and want to make sure that the flat is not too dark and the garden gets lots of lovely sunshine. But it's winter, so when they visited the apartment, they found it very difficult to assess what the impact of sun will be across the year. So I helped them check this with Shadowmap by mapping the sun's daily impact across the seasons and confirm that the flat and the garden are truly sun blessed. So when we look at the property from front and back, we can check how much sunlight it gets in the morning. They're in the first floor, and in the evening. So you can see in summer at the highest point, summer solstice. Check it in the front where the living room is, and they can have breakfast, and the bedroom in the back. And yeah, also at the lowest point in the winter solstice, we might see that there's no actual direct sunlight. Yeah, exactly. And maybe they get some in the evening. Yeah. And to be more accurate, we can also look at our high-res model with satellite data. And yeah, we can also see trees in the back that are on private property and not seen otherwise. So looking at summer again, we can see also that it's possible to perhaps have a little vegetable bed here or some flowers. So if you're looking to buy or rent, make sure to check the sunlight before this important decision. And Shadowmap has all the tools you need to do that. And just go to app.shadowmap.org and check out our subscriptions.